Hello friends, this is Vidhi and today I'm going to show you how to use powerclip option in CorelDRAW. This is a request from my subscriber. First of all, I'll select an ellipse tool, click on ellipse tool, hold control and draw a circle here. I'm using circle here, you can use any shape. See, I'll keep it here, I'll use heart shape for this. Click on basic shapes here and click here on arrow mark and select this heart, hold control and drag it like this. You'll get an heart shape. You can also increase or decrease the width of this. Okay, and use this image and increase the size of this. Right click on this, power clip inside and click on this heart to power clip. See, or I'll press Ctrl Z here to undo or drag it with the right click. See, you'll get a plus with a circle sign here. Then you leave it and click on power clip inside. To edit this, just hold control and click on this heart, or you can also see, you can also click here, edit power clip. Okay, now you adjust this image inside this heart shape. See, it's inside the heart now. You can see the shape here, blue color shape. Okay, now you hold control or click on page here. This is the page and click on the page here to close this PowerClip window, or you can also click here. Okay, stop editing contents to close this window. See, this is done now. Now I'll show you how to place half of the image inside and half of the image outside of this circle. I'll use this image for that. See, I'll create a copy of this. Select this image, right click on this, power clip inside and click on the circle here to power clip. Then edit contents. Select this image and adjust it wherever you want. It's your choice to decide. See, you can also keep it here like this or here, or you can also rotate it like this. Okay, I'll keep it like this. See, I'll keep it like this. Okay, I'll increase the size of this. Okay, now you select this image. If it is final, then you select this image and press Ctrl C to create a copy and close this power clip window. Click here or hold control and click on page to close this power clip window. See, now you don't move this circle. Okay, without moving you have to paste this. Press Ctrl V to paste it. If you move it, then this image and that image alignment will be changed, so you don't move it. Okay, see, this is the extra part here, we have to delete it. For that, click on shape tool and select these nodes and move it like this. Hold control and move it till here. Okay, until we can see the circle here. See, half of the image is inside of the circle and half is outside. And if you want to edit this image, then you have to delete the top one. This is the upper image. So you have to delete it and click on control click here, edit this image and create a copy of this. Close the PowerPoint window and paste it here. You can't edit this image like this, then this image and that image will not match. Okay, see, it will become like this. Now you can give color to this circle. Select all, remove outline and group it. So this is done now. If you have any doubts related to this, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.